guys, back to business. I'm gonna show you one final kind of super trick to take our first slime really to the next level. So this is some stuff that you might have to special order, but if you just want an idea for kind of how you can improve it or make things really outstanding, here's an example. So all you have to do is take the super slime we made in the first video, right? And we're gonna add something to it to make it magnetic. Got this thing in the mail. Little bits of synthetic black iron oxide. And it looks just like a nice powder. I feel like I shouldn't be smelling that and kind of sniffing it in. So I'm just gonna make a nice kind of pile in this slime. So we're gonna fold it in like a dumpling, like we're making a dumpling. And the goal is here that we're gonna like mix it into the slime. And so we gotta knead it a lot, over and over and over, to mix it up as much as possible. We probably should have worn gloves for this experiment, but now we know. So theoretically, what we just did is we made this slime magnetic. In order to test if that's true, we got a super magnet right here. So this is a special magnet that we got. It's super, super strong, and it's called a neodymium magnet. When you're dealing with magnets that are this strong, you gotta be really careful because it could really pinch you easily. And like, all right, it's wrapped up in a box. Watch how strong this thing is. I'm really nervous. You gotta be really careful when you use these things. This magnet's the real deal. This is a real deal magnet. Make sure you don't have like a phone or a computer near you, because these can really screw them up. Oh, buddy. You don't want to do this on like a stove top or anything like that, or near anything metal. Because it's gonna stick to it and it might break as it goes so hard. Oh man, I wish you guys could feel this. Oh, oh, oh. Yes. All right, guys, we're gonna try a new batch. Our thinking is that instead of kind of like folding it in, maybe if we tried to mix in the powdered iron oxide when we mixed in the borax, we might be able to mix in more of it, so it's kind of more magnetic. That's the goal. But we're gonna hang on to this one to compare. All right, guys, we're trying it again. We're gonna make some gack, maybe like a small batch this time. Yeah? We're gonna make a small batch of gack this time, but incorporate the iron oxide into the borax mixing. So we aren't gonna fold it in at the end. We're gonna see if that makes a difference. One glue? I think one glue will do it. This is just a small experiment, so we'll see. Warm water. Now we're gonna prepare our borax solution. We're gonna try something different this time where we kind of like, we're gonna mix our iron oxide into our borax before we add water. So the idea is that the iron oxide will kind of be evenly distributed through everything. And we're only going to use half a cup of water, so I'm going to only use about half a tablespoon of borax. So this is kind of like in baking, when you mix your wet ingredients in one bowl and then your dry ingredients in the other bowl. We're kind of following the same idea, right? So first we mix our dry ingredients together. do our best here and do like a whole scoop. Right? We're gonna do 2 scoops. Oh man. Let's mix it all up. All right, now we need half a cup of water. I'm gonna really mix it up, so we really want to try to dissolve it all in there. All right, giddy up. Let's do this. My hands are gonna be this color for a month. All right, I'm gonna knead it for a while. You ready? This is gonna blow your mind. This was a total accident. These look like little fish. All right, back to slime. This is looking pretty good. It seems like it's a little bit more uniformly black, and the iron seems to be mixed in. Our one issue is our magnet is really super messy now. And it's hard to clean because like my hands are kind of magnetic too. So let's do our best to test this thing. I mean, I feel something for sure. So we figured it out. Maybe the best way is folding in the iron oxide because, dude, this stuff really, you're really feeling something. It's pretty crazy. Slimers, jammers, we've been doing some thinking. And we think that adding iron oxide just to our first Miss Walczak Super Slime isn't quite enough here. So we're gonna do our best to make 2 more slimes magnetic. We're adding iron oxide to oobleck and also our rainbow slime. This is true experimentation because we've never done this before, but we'll see if it works. It's time for a magnetic slime blackout. Let's do this thing. We learned from our last magnetic slime experience, so this time we're going to be wearing some gloves. All right. And we've also put some paper on the table because that took a long time to clean up. We're going to start with our rainbow slime, which we've played with so much, is now not so much rainbow and more of like a cool mint. But this is our fluffy slime that we made. I'm gonna stretch it out and use the same method we did with Miss Walczak Super Slime. Kind of just pile like a bunch of iron oxide right in the middle of it and then hope it works. I'm gonna do one. Mix it up. So we're gonna fold it in. Like a slime magnet taco. I'm being very gentle. Oh, it's like a. It like hides in the middle. Oh my gosh. It's like a pocket and it's all in there. That's crazy. right, this really needs, I think I should have spread it on a bit more evenly. Ooh, a twist might work well. When we were mixing in the colors, it seemed like the twist was good. And then, ooh, it's like hidden in pockets that keep like exploding. Oh, there's like a big old nugget in there. Oh man. I'm gonna flatten it out and then like press it down and try to scoop up more of it. We'll do a test. Oof. 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 We're gonna add some shaving cream to it to see if we can make it like a little more liquidy and a little more soft. All right, it's happening. It's so slippery now. That's pretty wild. Ooh. See that? All right, there's the fluffy slime. It kind of worked well, but it was really hard to mix in the iron oxide into the slime. I kind of thought it was gonna be as easy or easier than the other one, but not so much. But that's okay, because we have one slime left. Now it's time to make the oobleck magnetic. Ow, 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 ow! All right, everybody. Time to make oobleck magnetic. There's not much strategy to this. We've never done it before. So I'm just gonna dump our oobleck into a bowl full of iron oxide and we're just gonna see what happens. I got some cornstarch and water on hand if we need to like adjust the ratio, but sometimes in science, guys, you just gotta plow right on ahead. And this is one of those moments. So let's do it. Nice. Ooh, it's like hard on the bottom. That's odd. That's ever so odd. All right, here's the moment of truth. See, this mixes together really easily, so this leads me to believe that something good might happen. Oh man, look at that. It's beautiful. It's like a rich black color. This is what we've been trying to do with all of the slimes. It's finally working out. It's interesting because I think it loses just a little. It like loses its non-Newtonian qualities. Now it's just like kind of just slimy and goopy, almost like frosting like, rather than being like that oobleck. I mean, it kind of is, but not as much as it was before. Man, that's awesome though. Look at that color. Look at that color. That's pretty thoroughly mixed. I have no idea what this is gonna be like. So let's give it a shot. I think I'm just gonna like hold it up and drip it. Oh! That was amazing! I don't know how to get it off now, but that was so sick. Oh! Ooh, you see that? You see it? You see it? You see it? You see it? Oh! ow, 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 ow. All right, everybody, time to go out into the world and become a true slimeologist. Create your own slime and share it with us. All right, my hands are cleaner. What a pleasant surprise. Look at that. I gotta figure out what happened and do it again because I gotta clean the rest of my hands. But that's how I decided to take my slime to the next level. We made it magnetic by adding some iron oxide. So maybe take one of these recipes and add your own little flair to it, or share us one of your favorite slime recipes that we might not even have talked about yet. Maybe you use the ones that I tell you and take them to the next level. You can add different things. You can add glitter. You can add more glue. You can add maybe Skittles or some candies or some different things like that. Share your favorite slime recipes. Together, guys, we're gonna compile the greatest collection of slime recipes ever known to man. They'll tell legends and stories about this list of slime recipes that we're compiling. So I can't wait to read them, and I can't wait to try them out. Good luck, guys.